Hi guys, this is Suman and you are watching Eternal Physics. In this lecture, we will derive the expression for electric field due to an electric dipole at the line of axis. In this derivation, electric field on the axial line of an electric dipole is to be derived. So first of all, we need to understand the electric dipole. Electric dipole is a system of two equal and opposite charges separated by small distance. So first, we make a dipole. See the point where we have to calculate the electric field. Then the electric field on this point is influenced by two charges. First is positive charge and the second is negative charge. Positive charge electric field is radially outward and negative charge electric field should be radially inward. So we have to calculate the E plus and E minus. So net field on point P will be sum of these two vectors, these two electric field vectors. So if we calculate the electric field due to positive charge, then you have to find the distance from the positive charge that point P. So now to calculate the electric field, we need distance from that charge. So distance will be, and the distance from positive charge will be D plus A. Distance from negative charge will be D minus A. So we can write D minus A. Here are some statements which are needed because we have taken a dipole. So consider an electric dipole, of dipole moment P vector is equal to Q dot 2, where Q is charge and 2A is separation, is small separation. At point P on the axial line, we have to calculate electric field. So now electric field at P will be E plus vector plus E minus vector, and we have already seen that E plus is here and E minus is here, and plus charge is far away from point P and minus charge is close to P. So electric field due to minus charge is much higher than electric field due to plus charge. So we can say that electric field, mod of electric field 1 will be 1 less than mod of electric field due to negative charge. So net field will be magnitude of field is equal to mod E is equal to E minus mod minus E plus mod. Now we need a formula. Electric field due to point charge E equals KQ upon R square. Okay, this formula is useful to calculate the electric field due to dipole. Okay, using this we will calculate the net electric field. So this should be remembered. Now at point P, E minus mod of E minus can be written like as KQ upon distance what is D minus A whole square. This is D. Okay, and E plus will be is equal to KQ upon distance D plus A all square. So if we use this 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, the net electric field will be E negative minus E positive. So this is equal to KQ upon d minus a whole square minus kq upon d plus a whole square. Okay, this kq and kq can be taken as a common. Kq common upon 1 upon d minus a whole square minus 1 upon d plus a whole square. Now we can take LCM. Kq should be here, and LCM is taken as d minus a whole square into d plus a whole square. If we take the LCM, then here d plus a whole square minus d minus a whole square. Now kq taken as LCM, and we can write d minus a whole square into d plus a whole square, and here e total is taken as d plus a is total taken as a, and d minus a taken as a, like formula a square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. And if we use this formula, then d plus a plus d minus a into d plus a minus d plus a. Now electric field will be equal to, and a and minus a get cancelled, and d minus d get cancelled. Then here is 2d and here is 2a. Q kq into 2d into 2a upon d minus a whole square into d plus a whole square. And we know a is much less than d, so d minus a almost equal to d, and d plus a can be written as almost equal to d. So electric field now will be equal to k. Rearrange this in terms of electric dipole moment, q into 2a. So q and 2a can be written as q into 2a, and 2d also, so 2d you have to take. And now it is d square d square, d square and d square. Now d and 1d get cancelled, then you have left k q dot 2a upon d cube, and where q dot 2a is equal to p, which is dipole moment, so E will be equal to kp. 2 is also here, so 2 can be written as 2kp upon d cube. This is the final result that you have to remember, and practice this as much as you can for remember this derivation till last exam. Okay, this not, this is remembered, this should be remember. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe and share as much as you can. Support by like, thumbs up, comments. Let me arrange this to look. Actually I don't have any experience of writing on board, so it may be difficult for me in starting, but I will try to learn all the things that is here showing. A small message from me: if anyone needs a personal teacher, then I'm here for her or him. So if you want any personal teacher who guide throughout your preparation, then you can contact me. My contact is 7764908388. You can WhatsApp me, and we can join a group where we will share and clear your doubts, clear your personal doubts. Like if you stuck any questions, you can share with me and learn with me. Thank you. Bye guys. Bye bye.